To make the pizza pan wreaths that you're seeing, this is the type of dollar store pizza pan you're going to be looking for. Staying in the kitchen section, you then want to grab some placemats. As you can see, I already jumped ahead and started to mark mine where I'm going to cut them, but you want to grab a few depending on how many wreaths you're going to make. The placemat itself is larger than your Cricut mat and obviously the pizza pan, so what you're going to want to do is trim off some edges of the placemat so that it will fit properly onto your Cricut mat. I went ahead myself and measured about 3 inches on each side to make sure that I would have enough room. After you trim off the edges, you then want to go into your design space, choose the circle template, and make it 11.5 inches by 11.5. This should make the cut big enough to fit in the pizza pan. For materials, you're going to want to use leather, the faux leather, so it can cut properly. And use your strong grip mat as it holds the placemat down much easier. The 11.5 cut circle seems to fit perfectly inside of the pizza pan. If it's a smaller placemat, you might run into this issue where they flatten out, but that's okay because you can always add a decorative piece of rope or some vinyl or some flowers. Once you have all of your placemats cut to fit into your pizza pan perfectly, you want to take some Modge Podge and apply it to the center of your pizza pan, just the center, not the edges. Place your mat in and let it adhere.